All right, here we go, pyros. I got an artillery shell that I'm gonna light on the ground. Just kidding. This is a fountain. It's called Mini Jumbo. Emit showers of sparks. Who's the brand on this thing? Oh, white and hot. Let's see what this bad boy's gonna do. I'm kind of scared this thing's gonna blow up like an artillery shell because it looks exactly like one. Let's put it right there. I don't know. I'm scared about this one. Oh, pyros! Here we go! Okay, there we go. Oh, pyros, this thing is loud. Crackle. Oh, damn. Oh, I love the smell of that smoke. It's still going. It's over a minute. Pyros is a good duration of a fountain. Oh, it's still going. Oh my gosh. Here we go, pyros.